kailangan mag-translate. Hindi pwedeng chikahan lang. Kailangan mag-translate to additional revenue, bigger influence, or a way to get in touch with other people who will provide all of those other two. So it's a way of managing your time that is very mindful kasi dapat pati oras natin binabudget natin. Hindi pwedeng ni-spend ko yung time na ganito kasi wala talaga akong magawa today. There is no single day na wala akong magawa. Laging puno yan.
Agree. I'm sure with all your commitments and the people who would want to have coffee with you, marami yan. And it's very inspiring kasi even if you've learned a lot, hindi natatapos eh. Yung you have the disposition of humility na, oh, I can learn from this. Hindi ko siya kilala but I'll research, and yun nga, it shaped you for who you are today. Kaya the Salve that we know, hindi siya yung one-time, big-time na may inaral ka, but it's really a daily decision of learning deliberately, even unlearning things to really help you grow as a person and also sa bottom line, sa revenue.